Hey there, today we're showcasing the Nuovva Enamelled Cast Iron Dutch Oven Casserole Pot, a versatile 2-in-1 cookware set. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, it offers exceptional durability and excellent heat retention for perfect cooking. The innovative lid doubles as a skillet, allowing you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously and save time. With a smooth, pre-seasoned finish and sturdy handles on both sides, it's easy to handle and built to last. This 5-quart, 26-centimeter pot is ideal for casseroles, roasts, Dutch oven bread, and even fried eggs. Whether you're baking, frying, or simmering, this set delivers consistent results every time. Elevate your cooking game with this practical and stylish blue Dutch oven today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.